everybody and welcome to another video today. As you'll probably know now, it is coming to the end of the show season basically, so everybody's winding down ready for winter or getting down in their bunkers and getting their cars ready for next season. At the minute, kind of like this video is halfway through a video that I'm filming where I'm trying to demist one of the tail lights and seal it so that it doesn't mist up again. That video should come up eventually, it's just taking a bit longer than I thought it would. So I thought I'd just update you on what's going off instead, if that's alright with you. Now before I go any further with this video, I do want to do a massive shout out to a brand new car club that's kind of taking the scene by storm at the minute, known as Sad Boy Race Club. Now if you've not heard of them yet, which I'm sure you will do eventually, it's a car club where car enthusiasts all talk about their cars and get to know each other and have a like-minded discussion about things car related. But not only that, like most other car groups, this one's a bit special because it's focused on helping people that suffer from things like mental illness. So if you have things like suicidal thoughts or social anxiety or any kind of anxiety or just feeling down in general, and cars is like your mecca of what brings it all together for you and keeps you sane and keeps you running, then that club is brilliant for that. Big hats off to Dan, who is the founder of the club. He now has a website as well as social media pages, and you can go on there and purchase merchandise from there as well. This Sad Boy Race Club decals as well as t-shirts that he's just brought out as well. If you go on the website as well, I have done a full Q&A interview. If you do want to go on there and you just want to learn a bit more about me, you can do. Or if you struggle with things to do with that's anxiety based, like social anxiety, and I have a an anxiety triggered twitch, which I usually cut out, but I'll leave that in just so you saw it. I have done a full video on that, which is one of my very old videos. If you do want to watch that, then I'll put the link so you can go to that video. But like I said, do give the site a visit. Even if you don't suffer from these kind of things yourself, it's nice to support this kind of cause. Anyway, moving away from that new thing, we've got something else new. What is this? For you guys to have a look at. I want to do a competition for you. Now, as you can remember, not too recently, but I did do a Kickstarter based on clothing that's designed relating to this channel. There was loads of donations on the Kickstarter and loads of people like bidding in to get some of the merchandise, but unfortunately it wasn't enough to have the amount I was aiming for manufactured and to be sent out. Now I still really want to get something for you guys to have for yourself, so I thought, well, we'll just start at the lower end first for now then, and I'm going to bring out some decals or stickers or vinyl or whatever you want to call it for you to have on your car if you do wish to put it on. They're only the first prototypes that I've done, which is the FNLEW stencil design. So you've got black and you've also got white for darker coloured cars if you wish to do that. There is a board around them, but that's just really to help you line it up squarely. If you wish to, you can just put it on and peel it off, or you can cut that out and just have the logo, or you can leave the frame on. That's completely up to you. But like I've said, this is just a prototype batch that I've done, and I want to eventually get more printed out for you guys to purchase, as well as like doing some different colours as well as black and white. Now I've given a handful out to close friends, people I know personally, and I've handed them out face to face, but I want to give an opportunity for 2 subscribers to win one of each colour. So 1 subscriber is going to win a black one, 1 subscriber is going to win a white one, and I will send them to you free of charge for you to have on your car. You'll be the first official subscriber to have a decal in your possession from this channel. So you're thinking, wow, Lewis, how do I win this? So for your chance to win one of these, there's 2 ways that you could possibly win it. Number 1, go on my Instagram account and I'll try and upload a photo for you guys as a reference at the same time when I've uploaded this video. It should be my most recent post. When you get on there, you need to like the post, you need to follow the Instagram account, you need to be following the YouTube channel, and then you need to comment either black or white on there so I know which competition you're going to be entering. It's the same competition, which colour, you know what I'm saying. As well as the Instagram, you can go over to the Facebook page where I will release the same image with the same description of what you need to do to win it. Like the Facebook page, like the post, subscribe to the channel, and leave black or white so I know which colour you're wanting. I'll make sure there's 2 random winners that get pulled out. At least it will be on the next week's video. That's probably going to be the deadline for the competition. If you want to keep going and going as much as you can, tell people, get them all involved, get them to win it. Just make sure they follow the guidelines to enter the competition. Unless I do an earlier reveal of who wins it, say if I do like a live draw or something like that, but that's an even more of a reason to be following the social media accounts so you know what's going off. So as well as that exciting thing happening, there are some more bits coming for the car because my birthday is coming up, which is in November, as well as Christmas. I'd love to get something big like coilovers or something like that, but it's just out of price range in the minute, something like that. I will eventually, hopefully fingers crossed, aim to get those. I'd love a set of coilovers for the car, especially how it sits, and for handling purposes obviously. But what I'm going to focus on is trying to get, I wouldn't say like little bits, but things that are useful that don't cost as much as coilovers, but like really good things to get for an FN2 if it's your daily car. As well as those, there is something coming that is particularly personal for the car, if you know what I mean. But all will be revealed, I will show you. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Thank you for watching and sticking with me through the whole show season. If you do want to go back and watch any of the videos from this year, please do, especially the last JAE show, which is the one that we did, and I'm sure I did something like 4 episodes of JAE, and it was a really fun time, so that I would recommend that as a watch. If you do like any of my videos, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on, so you're always up to date with my videos. I try and upload once a week on a Thursday evening at 5 o'clock as a minimum. I'm sorry if that slips, but I do my very best. And until next time, guys, like you always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your day. Bye. You